Zoho Recruit is a software tool that helps organizations efficiently manage their hiring process by automating tasks such as posting job openings, tracking applicants, scheduling interviews, and maintaining candidate profiles, ultimately making the recruitment process more organized and streamlined. An applicant tracking system provides a centralized platform where employers can keep track of onboarding actions. It helps you manage your end-to-end recruitment process from sourcing to hiring, and helps automate your organization's recruiting and staffing operations. The home page on Zoho Recruit looks similar to Zoho CRM. It serves as a centralized dashboard where users can access key information and navigate various features of the software. The hiring pipeline shows the positions open and shows which stage the applicants are in. You can customize this with other metrics that will be useful for you to see here on a daily. The Job Openings module is a core component that allows users to create, manage, and track job openings within the recruitment process. You can organize and oversee all of the details related to job vacancies within an organization here. To create a job opening, click on this plus button and fill in all of your necessary details that you want to add into your job description. You can also create templates for the different positions that you're offering to save time. Once you've created your job openings, you're able to integrate them with external job boards and career websites. It allows users to publish job postings from within Zoho Recruit directly to popular job board platforms, increasing the reach and visibility of your job opportunities. Below you can see all of the platforms that you can integrate with and broadcast your job openings to. All of the candidates that flow in from your applications will be shown in the Candidates module. It provides a dedicated space for you to store, organize, and work with candidate profiles as they go through the recruitment process. The Interviews module is a core component designed to manage and streamline the interview process within the recruitment workflow. You can schedule, track, and organize interviews with candidates here, and any interviews that you have scheduled will be shown in the records here. On the Assessments module, you can add forms that you want your candidates to fill out. If you have pre-screening questions or need them to take a post-interview exam, you can set that up here, and you also have pre-built assessments that are already ready to use. The Referrals module in Zoho Recruit provides a platform for organizations to track internal employees, enabling them to leverage their existing workforce network to source potential candidates. You can also organize your information inside of Zoho Recruit by creating departments. This allows you to categorize job openings, assign users and roles, and segment your data. You can then generate reports and analytics based on department-specific data, which helps in evaluating the recruitment performance of different departments and identifying areas for improvement. This product empowers organizations to save time, improve productivity, and find the best talent for their organization. Unlock the full potential of your recruitment efforts and take your hiring process to the next level with Zoho Recruit.